Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fidelity Active Trader Pro. First, download and install the application from the Fidelity website. Once installed, log in with your Fidelity credentials. The main dashboard provides an overview of your accounts and market activity. You can customize the layout to suit your trading style, adding or removing widgets as needed. This personalized setup helps you quickly access the information most important to you for efficient trading. Navigating Active Trader Pro is straightforward once you understand the layout. The top menu bar gives you access to key functions like trading, research, and account management. You can open multiple tools simultaneously, arranging them across your screen for a comprehensive view. For example, you might have a watch list, a chart, and an order entry ticket open at the same time. This multi-window capability enhances your ability to monitor and react to market changes quickly. Placing a trade in Active Trader Pro is efficient. Open the trade ticket, enter the stock symbol, and specify the number of shares you wish to buy or sell. Choose your order type, whether it's a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to control your price. You can also set advanced conditions like good till canceled. Always double-check all details before clicking place order to ensure accuracy and avoid errors in your transactions. Active Trader Pro offers extensive customization and advanced features to enhance your trading experience. You can personalize your charts with numerous technical indicators and drawing tools to analyze market trends. Set up real-time alerts for specific price targets or news events, ensuring you never miss a critical market move. The platform also includes powerful screeners to help you identify potential trading opportunities based on your preferred criteria, giving you an edge in your decision-making.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.